Hello and welcome. This course, Technology in English Language Education, will transform how you think about teaching English. For the next 16 weeks, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of integrating technology to create dynamic, engaging, and effective learning experiences. In today's digital landscape, technology isn't just a tool, it's a transformative force. We'll explore how to leverage its power to enhance every aspect of English language acquisition, from vocabulary building to advanced grammar and fluency development. Forget the static textbook. We're talking interactive learning that caters to diverse learning styles and keeps students motivated. Over the first 4 weeks, we'll lay the groundwork. We'll examine the pedagogical principles behind effective technology integration. We'll discuss the benefits: increased engagement, personalized learning, access to global resources, and the challenges: digital equity, teacher training, and responsible technology use. We'll also explore different learning management systems, LMS, like Moodle, Canvas, and Google Classroom, and how to effectively utilize them to manage assignments, track progress, and facilitate communication. Weeks 5 through 8 focus on practical application. We'll delve into specific technologies. Think interactive vocabulary builders like Quizlet, gamified learning platforms like Kahoot, and immersive language learning apps like Duolingo. We'll explore how to create engaging digital storytelling projects using tools like Storybird or Book Creator, and how podcasts and video resources can enhance listening comprehension and pronunciation skills. We'll also cover the creation and use of interactive exercises and quizzes using platforms like H5P. Weeks 9 through 12 are all about collaboration and communication. We'll explore the power of online collaborative tools like Google Docs and Slides for group projects, and how video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Google Meet can facilitate real-time interaction and peer learning. We'll also discuss strategies for fostering online community and building rapport with students in virtual learning environments. We'll even touch upon the use of virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, for creating immersive language learning experiences. The final 4 weeks will focus on assessment and evaluation in the digital age. We'll explore how to use technology to track student progress effectively, utilizing data analytics to inform our teaching strategies. We'll discuss the ethical considerations of using technology in education, ensuring data privacy and responsible use of digital tools. We'll also explore different digital assessment methods, including online quizzes, interactive exercises, and automated feedback systems. By the end of this course, you'll be confident in integrating technology to create engaging, effective, and equitable learning experiences for your students. You'll have a toolbox of digital resources and strategies to enhance every aspect of your teaching, empowering your students to become confident and fluent English speakers. Let's begin this exciting journey together.